Hi guys from WarLeaks. I am sure you know that there is a war in Ukraine right now. Millions of children, women and old men are being bombed right now. We are fighting tyrants for whom all the values of the Western world doesn't exist. The only weapon they have is the gas money. But together we can do more with your youth. Watch our videos on the WarSnack channel and read the description below. We have prepared a lot of interesting content for you. By the way, now we are raising money for a new drone, because our is a very often shot down in flight. It costs a lot, but if you donate money, you will bring the world closer to victory over tyranny. Slava Ukraini!